If secant theta plus tan theta is equal to P, show that secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by P. Hence, find the value of cos theta and sin theta. Secant theta plus tan theta is equal to P. Given, we know that secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. Here, secant theta plus tan theta is equal to P. P into secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. Secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by P. Equation 1. Secant theta plus tan theta is equal to P. Given equation 2. Add 1 and 2. Here tan theta cancel. Secant theta plus secant theta 2 secant theta is equal to 1 by P plus P. 2 secant theta is equal to 1 plus P square by P square. Secant theta is equal to 1 plus P square by 2P. Cos theta is equal to 2P by 1 plus P square. So reciprocal of secant theta is equal to cos theta, that is reciprocal of 1 plus P square by 2P is equal to 2P by 1 plus P square. 2 minus 1 secant theta plus tan theta is equal to P. Secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by P. Minus plus minus. So secant theta cancel. Tan theta plus tan theta, 2 tan theta is equal to P minus 1 by P. 2 tan theta is equal to P square minus 1 by P. Tan theta is equal to P square minus 1 by 2P. Sin theta is equal to tan theta into cos theta. Tan theta is equal to P square minus 1 by 2P into cos theta is equal to 2P by 1 plus P square, that is P square plus 1 is equal to P square minus 1 by P square plus 1.